In today's video, I'm going to be covering some tips and tricks for color coding success, and I'm going to give you some troubleshooting strategies that you can use with students to teach them how to debug color codes so that they have more success when doing so. Sometimes you have an instance like this where you have a perfectly drawn color code. You set Evo on the line, it chugs along, it appears to read the code, but in the end, it does not execute the expected outcome. Naturally, we like to blame how the color code is drawn on the fact that Evo did not read the color code, when in actuality, it actually tends to be, the blame tends to be more on how the line is drawn and how the robot is calibrated, and that's what we're going to be covering today. You see, with Evo's latest update, it actually has been given the capability to read a variety of color codes. As I send Evo down, you'll see it successfully reads some varying varying types of color codes successfully. All right, so I'm going to just do a voiceover and speed through the rest of these color codes. So you'll see on the left-hand side what is wrong with each of them. However, you'll also notice that Evo correctly reads every single one of them. So as you're watching them and you're watching the spin codes, the one thing I want you to observe is how consistent the black line is on each of those color codes, because that is what this video series is going to cover, and ultimately that is what causes the most issues with color codes, believe it or not.